guys. So got some serious updates. I just got back in from Texas on Thursday morning. No, let me rephrase that. Yeah, Thursday morning. Stopped in for an hour, checked on the gym, touched base with everybody, say what's up. And then we drove to Sedona. We had our first weekend away, which was very nice, short and sweet. Drove right back, and we're here right now back at the Warehouse Gym. And I get to fly back to Texas tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So, woo, nonstop. Can't wait. Anyway, really cool developments. San Antonio's gone good. We did get granted our zoning change, so we can operate as a 24-hour private fitness center, a full-size gym in the location that I have acquired. So that is exciting. I got granted the zoning change. City Council stamps it on Thursday. Yeah, on Thursday. So that's exciting. And then I've already got permits pulled and a team of engineers and architects that specialize in permit expediting. So lucky for myself, I've actually been working hard with SolidWorks engineering software, Cativa, CAD, 3D motion, and other stuff in the education system that I'm doing currently to help with prototyping future war machines, as well as getting my encrypted data for patents. So with that, I was able to do my construction drawings, because architects are usually stupid and lazy and nerds there's a lot of good architects out there, but just some of them are absolutely worthless. And so understand that you can, especially being an owner builder, I can get a building permit and then hire a plumber. And instead of paying a plumber $30,000 to just rough in a few drains, I paid the permitting fee, and then they give me a free inspection. And for $1,500, I get to do it all myself and save all that money. So I'll probably have all of my plumbing done for the San Antonio gym done myself this coming week. Maybe for like $3,000. So that's super rad. Then you can start framing out and building the showers and bathrooms. We're going to have 2 full ADAs, 6 full shower and bathrooms, all individual. That's exciting. We did run into things, and that's a big, huge factor. Like, everything takes longer than you think it's going to, even if it goes well. No matter what, being excited and wanting to rush into things is always going to be lessons learned, and you're going to learn them over and over and time again, because no matter what, everything takes longer than you think it's going to. That's just how the universe works. There are details and vast unknowns that then come into your awareness when you, they say, cross that bridge when you come to it, as you come to these bridges that you didn't know existed. Like, oh, I have a roof leak along the, I think it's the eastern wall. It's about 190 feet long. Parapet wall and membrane seal is just, failing. Not a huge repair. It's probably a $250,000 roof system, but I can't paint, I can't hang mirrors, I can't do anything in San Antonio until we get that repair addressed, which, lucky for me, previous ownership is on top of, so that's super awesome. Their team is working on that as part of the indemnities. Anyway, and so with getting that done, that's going to help a lot. They should be addressing it this week. So then we can move forward. Going to be running an experiment, which a little segment here. If you guys can participate, I am going to be cleaning the ceiling and the walls like I would with this pressure washer to get ready to paint and everything myself. Now, with this team, I'm going to do the RGB lights, and I want to run an experiment because our very first location had a white roof. This location has a darker roof. I have not decided which will look better, to paint the entire ceiling white or black. So we're going to run an experiment, and then this next week or so, I'm going to paint a large section in the white paint, and then the large section in the black paint, and then run the RGB, the colored light, underneath. And then I want everybody to participate. Chime in, let me know what look you think is better. I think it'll be fun. Kind of take a poll, and then we'll be able to announce that and all that to kind of get the final look of the new Warehouse Gym out in Texas. That's going to be really fun. I'm leaning towards black. It's not going to have as bright a glow, but I think it'll be better for as far as cleanliness, as well as less contrast of the fixtures and things like that. Kind of give it that dark universe look in the background, kind of like an endless sky, versus the white will be amazing for the color and reflectiveness, but I feel like it might add too much busy texture. So those are my thoughts initially, but I want to see them both. I want to see them. So I think that'll be fun. So please make sure to help me out. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, and then subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. But absolutely, definitely let me know when you see it. We're going to be doing some content. I've got Miguel flying out to San Antonio with me here soon so we can capture and document the build out of the new Warehouse Gym location. And it's a big one. It should be super fun. A lot of fun construction there. So moving on with that, we've got just a handful of machines that we are cherry picking, as well as the dumbbells and free weights coming from all corners of the world, from China, Vietnam. We have a company out of Australia, a company from Hoist from here in California. We have American brands. We have American Barbell. We have Watson Strength out of the UK, Europe, some German tech. Elite FTS, I believe, I want to say they're the UK as well. We also have other American-made brands, Hammer Strength, things like that. We might be looking at, I really like the Mayhem dumbbells that Gym Bro Fitness put out, and those Mayhem Strength. Probably going to be picking up another set of those. So we will have 3 individual sets in San Antonio, plus the video wall, plus some really exciting stuff. I decided that I want to lay the gym out with the most unique floor plan possible. So we will have flag mirror walls as mid partitions throughout the gym to break up the large rectangle. But when you stand in the entrance, the beginning of the gym, and look down the center of the floor, you will be able to see the reflective layers to where every corner of the gym you'll be able to identify from the front of the house. So you'll be able to see all 3 dumbbells, whether it's directly or in a reflection from standing in the front center. So that's gonna be exciting. I'll have fun with that as far as the design goes, and then getting everything painted, everything shipped and ready to go. We've got everyone from US Wholesale Fitness. We've got out of Austin, Texas, we have the Warehouse Gym Supply. We've got Global Fitness. We've got Hoist Direct. One of our good guys, Vin, who owns Gungnar Strength out of Oslo, Norway. We're going to be getting a bunch of their stuff, their high quality stuff, as well as doing some great partner sourcing there. So that's going to be fun. Anyway, lots of work. I got to build a storefront, a wall. I got to paint the building. I got to get the 3,500 feet of RGBs hung, and then probably about 300 to 400 of our pendant spotlights, as well as, about a football field worth of turf. So that should be super fun. It's going to be exciting. I'm looking forward to it, and I can't wait for you guys to see more of the progress right here. So stay tuned for that. All right, cool. We get to work.